Now gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broken mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, I put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on my back, cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright honey, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Westkiss Hair. Shout out to you Westkiss for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you've been watching me for a while, then you know your girl is a stan, okay? Me and Westkiss, we here honey, okay? So once again, shout out to them. All right, so I have the information right here. They have on here, it says hair details is 200% density. It is in the color 99J. It is a deep wave unit. It's a 13x4 lace frontal and it is 26 inches long. Yes, girl, it is 26 inches long. And when I do my full 360 and length check, y'all gonna see, honey, she is every bit of it, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the link to go to the site. All right, so on their site, it says 99J Burgundy Deep Wave Lace Front Wig, customized pre-colored deep wave hair. And it says the brand name is Westkiss. It's a frontal wig. It's they have on here 180% density, but they sent me that was 200% density. So I'm guessing that you can get it in 200% density. I don't know, but on here it says 180. And it is Swiss lace, and the cap size is medium. And I'm guessing you can only get it in a medium cap size. Let me see. Okay, yeah. So they do have 180 and 200% density available once you try to add it to your cart. And you can also get the 13x4 lace, or you like I have, or you can get it in a 5x5 lace closure. So that is pretty up to you. Now, as far as shedding and tangling with this unit, it did shed a little bit when I was brushing it out. It was not excessive whatsoever, and it really wasn't tangly at all. So I expected it to shed a little bit. I expected it to tangle a little bit, but neither was, like I said, it really wasn't tangly to me. Maybe a little snag here and there, but nothing really. And the shedding was minimum, like nothing to write home about. child, okay? You know, if it was, I'd let you know, honey, or I would have returned to sender, okay? Now, this unit did basically come pre-tweezed. I do feel like you could tweeze it more if you want to. I didn't. I just decided to do me some baby hairs, but you know, it's your unit. When you get it, you do what you want to do with it. I did decide to bleach the knots some. The knots really, in my opinion, didn't need bleaching. I'm guessing because the unit, it probably was a 613 wig prior to being colored, and usually with those wigs the knots don't be that bad in my opinion, but I did decide to go ahead and do it just because I'm just in that mode. But I don't think you would have to if you don't want to. If you're somebody that's not into it, I don't think it would be an issue whatsoever. In my opinion, this unit is a big head friendly, but I am an average cap size. It looks like you can only get it in a medium size, but I do feel like it's more big head friendly than not. But like I always tell you guys, I only got the head that's on my shoulder, so do with that what you want to do with that, sis, okay? And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. Now, if you are interested in my pros and cons with this unit, as well as a lint check and 360, then please continue to watch. Alright, so I'm pretty sure you already know what my con is going to be. It's going to be that it's a 13x4, and with the 13x4s, you know, you have to be careful so that you don't see your wealth when you're parting these sort of units. So that would be my only con. You would have to just, you know, be more careful with how you style it. That's the only con that I could think of with this particular wig. So there you have it, sis. My pros with this wig, honey, let's start with the color, honey. Okay, you know, usually I like to wear 99Js in like fall and in winter, but honey, this hair, like, child, I feel like you can wear it all day, every day, okay? It's just something about it. I guess maybe it's the fact that it's a curly unit. I don't know. And plus it's a deep 99J. You know what I mean? I love a good, nice, deep 99J. And yeah, I think she's a look, she's a vibe. And you know what? I should have put on my plum lipstick. If y'all see plum lipstick in the thumbnail, then you know I changed it. But yeah, I love, y'all know I live for a good 99J. I just do. I just feel like you can't go wrong with it, honey. You just can't go wrong with it. So I love the color. I love the length. I love the waves. Like, those are my pros with this wig. Yes, I would personally recommend this unit. I just for the overall look of it, I love everything that I said in the pros. So personally, I would recommend it. I think she's worth it because I think she's a look and she's a vibe. So yes, I would recommend it. Alright, honey, so let me go ahead and give you guys this full 360 and this lint check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And you see how long it is on me. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am feeling it, because I am feeling it, okay? So let me know down below how you guys feel about this wig. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Westkiss, for sending me this unit. I appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.